What's the meaning of aloud? Aloud. 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 Aloud.
The word aloud means to speak audibly or out loud, as opposed to silently or in one's head. When someone reads aloud, they vocalize the words on a page so that others can hear them. Speaking aloud is useful when delivering a speech or presentation, reading a book to someone, or practicing pronunciation. It can also be a way for someone to better understand and retain information. Overall, speaking aloud is an important communication tool that enables people to effectively convey their message and connect with others.